All right, here we go. We have a multi-step problem again because I have two terms. I have 5k squared and 3 that are on the same side. So I got to solve for the one that has the square in it. So the second term I have to add or subtract away. This is the term I want to keep. This is the term I want to get rid of. So I'm going to minus 3 to both sides. So that's going to cancel out. So I'm left with 5k squared equals 8 minus 3 is 5. Nothing to do with the 5 and the 2, so we bring them down. So we have 525. Now I have a single term, and I'm going to split that term. So I got to divide by 5, the value I want to get rid of. 5 is a coefficient, so we need to get rid of that. So 525 divided by 5 is 105. K squared equals 105. Again, my square is by itself, so that means I get to go to the square root. So I'm going to square root both sides. The square root of k squared is k, plus or minus the square root of 105. Let's see, that's going to be 5, I know goes into it because it ends in a 5. So if I divide 105 by 5, I'm going to get 21. 21 prime factors into 3 times 7. Here I have no pairs, so I'm going to cross all that workout that I did and just leave it as the square root of 105. Now, depending upon how the problem wants you to answer it, we have to do a decimal approximation. So we're going to do plus or minus, and we're going to do the square root of 105. Make it a decimal, and we get 102.469577. That's a really big number. So we got 110.24695. To round this to the thousandth, okay, we want to, if this is the number we're going to round to, then we look at this number. That number is clearly greater than 5, so we round that up to 7. So we get 10.247 plus or minus k equals. And there's our final two answers. It's either this one or this one, depends it wants a radical expression or a decimal approximation.